Are you searching for the best co2 laser engraving cutting machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best co2 laser engraving cutting machine in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. VEVOR 40W CO2 Laser Engraving Machine. The CO2 engraving machine integrates the newest light, machine, and electricity mechanical movement to design this high-precise and high-speed 3-generation modal CO2 laser engraver. This brand new DCKI CO2 laser engraver is equipped with 140W water cooling laser tube, a high-precise stepping motors, and a high-quality control board. USB port to computer, CorelDRAW software included. CorelDRAW has the ability of both newly seal and newly draw, and so it can be employed in both carving and cutting works. Adopt Japan imported mainboard and chip which can control the engraving more precise. Adopt Germany imported bearing and high accuracy stepping belt which not only make the engraving more precise, also make the machine lifetime 2 to 3 times than ordinary CO2 laser engraver. The reinforced and thickened machine body make transportation absolutely to be safer and longer lifetime. Built the heat dispersed fan to reduce all electronic components temperature, thus lengthen electronic components life, and the higher technical volatility, high precision stepping motor makes engraving more precise.